FFUF Fuzz Faster U Fool is a high-performance web fuzzing tool designed for discovering hidden resources on web servers. Here are its key features. Speed. FFUF is optimized for fast performance using the Go programming language's concurrency features, making it one of the quickest fuzzing tools available. Flexibility. The tool is highly customizable, allowing users to configure various options such as custom headers, cookies, and data payloads to suit specific needs. Fuzzing modes. Directory discovery. FFUF finds hidden directories and files by trying different entries from a word list. VHOST discovery. It discovers virtual hosts by fuzzing subdomains. Parameter fuzzing. Users can test different parameters and values within web applications to uncover hidden functionalities or vulnerabilities. Wordless support. FFUF uses word lists containing common directory names, file names, subdomains, and other elements. Users can use predefined word lists or supply their own.